Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Today we will do the baking soda and vinegar experiment. All you need to get is a vinegar, baking soda, and some balloons. Alright, so first we have to fill the baking soda in the balloon with the help of a spoon. Remember, children, this baking soda should not fall out from the balloon. Okay, now children, now tell me how you did the experiment and was it different or the same from the video?
It was exactly like the ones given in the video.
Okay. So when the vinegar and soda combines, there is a reaction between an acid and a base. All right. Whereas vinegar is the acid, okay, and baking soda is the base. The reaction between the two causes a gas called carbon dioxide. Did you